how to lock gallery with fingerprint. You don't need any third-party apps. Open your gallery and go to your setting. Then under setting you can see the about gallery. So you just tap this gallery version 5 or 6 or 7 times. Then you can see the new option gallery lab. Just open your gallery lab and scroll down. Then you can see the album entry lock. Just enable this option, press on OK. Now go back and open your gallery again. Suppose I want to lock this album, then press and hold. Then you can see the three dotted line. Then three dotted line. Then you can see the lock album. Press on lock album, then it will be lock. Now if you go back, or if you want to try to open, then only fingerprint will be. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.